90% of what we do is determined by our unconscious, especially in business. Our unconscious is as responsible for extraordinary leaps of insight and creativity as it is for less desirable traits such as backstabbing, insecurity, and self-doubt. Simply put, our unconscious holds the keys to the next breakthrough in organizational performance. But how to access and harness it? At Liminal Coaching, metaphor is our tool of choice because it both reveals contributions from the unconscious and also sends direction to the unconscious. It allows us to unlock this powerful repository of insight, creativity, and novel perception we all overlook each and every day. Put this in the context of a project, and we can begin to use metaphor to frame the outcomes and stages as a personal and shared journey. We can create a shared map of the challenges and opportunities facing the team. It allows all perceptions to be included without conflict arising. Quite often, leaders are astonished what appeared to be highly conflicting aims at risk of derailing a project are revealed to be complementary and enriching points of view. And a shared metaphor is only the beginning. Cognitive mapping allows all voices and perceptions to be expressed and represented in a jointly created map. All team members can suggest where they see connections and embellish the shared map by extending metaphors already on the wall or adding new ones. This is about harnessing the power of the full brains of everyone in the team to achieve stunning results. You're probably familiar with the story of the blind people investigating an elephant by touch. One thinks it is a rope. They have hold of the tail. Another says, no, it isn't. It's a hose pipe that waves around. They have the trunk. And so on for the others. Using metaphor changes this story completely. The people are not blind, but just had their eyes shut. They open their eyes and can all see the elephant is a huge beast, composed of many parts. They understand it is all much bigger than they thought, and immediately appreciate that the other people have different perspectives on the same huge creature. From here, they can begin to develop a relationship with this powerful, friendly being. At Liminal Coaching, we work with future-focused organizations to leverage consciousness as the next competitive advantage. Our metaphor workshop is just one of the tools we use to unlock your team's full potential. Learn more at liminalcoaching.co.uk.